Good morning, ma'am.
I'm just going and getting
Good
my
morning,
note.
ma'am.
Okay. Please put your cameras on.
Ma'am, I have network issues, so I will not put on my camera.
Okay. Do you remember in the last class we did word problems related to time?
Yes, ma'am. You have given one homework also.
Yes. And sum number 5 was given as homework?
Yes.
Yes. Anybody who can give me the answer for sum number 5?
Yes, ma'am. 1 hour 45 minutes.
Nomi finished her homework after an hour. After an hour. Fatima finished her homework at 16:55. Okay. Now, here you have to understand the start and the end time. Okay. Nomi and Fatima both began their homework at 15:10. So if I write start time, it is 15:10. Okay. And Nomi finished it after 1 hour. So after 1 hour, it is going to be 16:10. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
And Fatima, they say, finished it at 16:55. Okay, how much longer did it take Fatima to do her homework than Nomi? How much time more she took? So what you are supposed to do? We know about Nomi, it is 1 hour. Okay, and here we will subtract 16:55 with 15:10. So when we subtract, what do we get? 1.45. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
How much
Ah.
time did
Yes,
she
ma'am.
take more? Nomi took 1 hour.
1 hour 45 minutes.
No, how much time did Fatima take more? Just
Fatima
45
took-
minutes.
Yeah, 45 minutes.
45 minutes longer to do her work, no? Yes? Am I right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
So what will be the answer? It took Fatima 45 minutes
minutes.
longer to do the homework as compared to Nomi. We are discussing the 5th word problem which was given as homework, Mahira. And the answer to that is 45 minutes longer. We cannot say that she took 1.45 minutes longer. Did she take 1 hour 45 minutes longer? No, because Nomi also took 1 hour and Fatima took 1.45. So how much is Fatima taking more time? Only 45 minutes more. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody has understood how to deal with these kind of problems?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please copy this down. Is it done?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you
Yes,
checked it
ma'am.
with your homework?
Ma'am, I have written 1 hour 45 minutes.
1 hour 45 minutes is a wrong answer. Your answer
Okay,
has to
ma'am.
be only 45 minutes because she's not taken 1 hour 45 minutes, correct?
Yes.
Now 8C,
Yes,
that
Yes.
is reading the timetable, I'm going to do in the next class. For this class, I'm going to do more word problems with you. Can you all see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. The first
Ma'am,
thing
could we
that
make a new page for these
yes,
word problems? Or should we
you have to
continue?
write extra questions in your notebook. Okay, you will write these as extra questions. And you know, the first thing that I want you all to do is to please write down these questions. Write down all these questions quickly first. Once this will take just 5 to 7 minutes, but we'll be, having no problem even if, whatever happens to your internet. So first thing that you will do is copy down these questions very quickly. I'll give you just, 5 minutes time. Do it.
I'm done.
That's nice. Very good. Can we start solving them?
No, ma'am. One.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Almost done, ma'am.
Okay, I'm waiting. Can I start?
Yes, ma'am, I'm done.
Okay. Now see, look at the first question. My mom ran errands from 1 hour and 45 minutes. Okay. Do you understand the meaning of errands?
Get chores or anything he needs to get. from it.
Yes, Zainab?
Mom, there are like chores or any like things you have to finish.
Yeah, it can be, ran errands can be, it can be she might have gone for picking up something or dropping something or doing some
So,
task. Okay.
yeah, some task or chore is errand.
Yes. So she ran errands for 1 hour and 45 minutes. Okay, so let me write this down. She left at 2:15 p.m. Okay, what is 2:15 p.m.? Can you convert this into
14, 15 hours.
yes. 2:15 p.m. in a 24-hour clock is going to be 14:15. Am I right?
14-15 hours.
Yes,
Yes,
14,
ma'am.
15 hours. Okay. And then after 14, 15 hours, what has she done? She has ran for 1 hour and 45 minutes. Am I right? Now,
Yes.
what do? I need to add 1.45 minutes to come to know when did she return? When did she come after, taking the delivery, dropping something, picking up something? What time she
That
might
will
have
be
come back?
16.
Ma'am, can you
Done.
wait for 1 minute?
Can I say 60 here?
Yes.
Yes. And can I say 15 here?
Yes, ma'am. 15 hours and 60 minutes.
Yeah, 60 minutes. What is 60 minutes? Tell me.
Ma'am, 60 minutes is an hour.
Yes. So this
Will be
15 will
16.
get converted into?
1 hour.
Yes.
16 hours.
Yes. So it will become 16 hours. She came back at 16 hours. So now when I say she came back at 16 hours, I can either write it as 16 hours or I can write it as 4 p.m. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
See, the same thing could be done without converting also. 2.15 added to 1.45. If we add, what do we get? 3.60. Okay.
Yes.
Ma'am, just this
Where,
process is easier than that one.
yeah, 3 plus 1 hour of that 60 minutes. So you can say 4 p.m.
Ma'am, I cannot see the.
Can the others see the screen?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, I can see.
Yes.
Then problem with you, Sarah. Have you written this down? The sum down in both the ways?
Yes, ma'am. Writing it in the other way.
Okay. You can do the sum in whichever way you feel comfortable. There is no hard and fast rule for this, that it has to be done in this way or that way, nothing like that. The only thing is you should get the answer correct.
Done, ma'am.
Done? Good.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Can we do the next sum?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes.
Maggie took a walk. She left at 10:30 a.m. and she got home at 1:45 p.m. Now see here, why I taught you how to convert. Okay. Now she left at 10:30 a.m. So what is the start time? 10:30. And she got home at 1:45. How long did she walk? So what are you going to write first? You're going to write 1:45. Am I right? And you're minusing 10:30 from it to get the answer. Am I right?
Yes. Yes.
But how can you subtract 10:30 from 1:45? Can you subtract? No.
No.
So what we will have to do? We will have to convert
Convert.
this into the 24-hour clock. Your 1:45 will become 13:45. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. 1:45 in a 24-hour clock is going to be 13:45. You're going to subtract 10:30 from there. So when you subtract 0 from 5, you get 5. 3 from 4, you get 1.
1,
And
3,
13, 10 from 3, you get 3:13. Am I right?
3.15.
3:15.
3:50.
Yeah. So how long was she gone? So we can say she was gone for 3 hours and 15 minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you get the second sum also?
Yes,
Any
ma'am.
doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have a doubt,
Ma'am?
beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, beta.
Ma'am, can you just tell me the first one? I can't understand that one.
The first one. The first one is
Yes, ma'am.
mother ran for 1 hour 45
Tell me the
minutes
second one.
and she left at 2:15 p.m. Okay, what time did she return back? So we will add 1.45 to the time that she is left from. She left at 2 hours and 15 minutes. So I add 1.45 to it. I get 3 hours and 60 minutes. Now, do you know 1 hour is 60 minutes?
Yes, ma'am.
So 3 hours and 1 hour. So 3 plus 1 is going to be 4. So she has returned back at 4 p.m. Do you get the first one, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yeah. The second one, who has doubt with the second one? Mahira?
Ma'am, could you tell me the second sum of the
Yes.
second one?
Yes. The second one, Maggie took a walk. She left at 10:30 a.m. She came back at 1:45. Now we need to find out how much time she was gone. So how to find out how much time she was gone? What we will do? 1:45 minus 10:30. Am I right? But when I started subtracting 10:30 from 145, I understood that 145 was a smaller number. So I converted it into the 24-hour clock. 145 became 13:45 and I subtracted 10:30 from there. So I got 3 hours 15 minutes. So I came to know that Maggie took a walk for 3 hours and 15 minutes. Clear,
Mom, could
beta?
you write the second sum?
It's written here. It's all here. 13:45 minus 10:30 is 3:15. So 3 hours and 15 minutes. I've
Okay.
written it down. Can we move to the third question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Now look at the third question. They say the baseball game started at 7:05. It ended at 19:15. How long was the baseball game? So we will write ended first. Ended
It
at
will be
what
2
time?
or 10 minutes.
Yes. Ended at 9:15. Okay. Started at 7:05.
7-5.
So if I have to get the duration, I'm going to subtract. Do you remember we had done this kind of sums in the last class?
Yes.
Yes. So when I
Yes,
subtract, what do I get? 5 minus 5, I get 0. 1 minus 0, I get 1. So 2.10. Am I right?
Past 10 minutes. Yes.
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 Yes, ma'am.
So we will say that how long was the baseball game? The baseball game was for 2 hours and 10 minutes. This is your third answer. Have you all understood?
Yes.
Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Can we do the fourth question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Looking at the fourth question, the birds began chirping at 3:47 a.m. They chirped for 2 hours. What time did they
5 hours
finish?
47.
Exactly.
5 hours 47.
Exactly. What we are going to do is start 3.47. Okay. Then chirp for more 2 hours. So plus 2.
4 hours 47 and 5 hours 47. Will become 2 hours.
Yes, exactly. And if I plus 2 hours here, I directly get 4.47. So I will say they finished. They started, they continued for 2 hours. Okay, and so they finished at 5:47. So I will say they finished at 5:47 a.m. Do you get where I write a.m., where I write hours and 10 minutes? Can you see this? When it is duration, I don't write it is at 2 o'clock, 10 minutes. Do I write it like that? No, duration is written in hours and minutes. But when I have to give them the time, then I write AM and PM. Like when I had to give them time for the first question also, I wrote AM, PM. Do you understand? When they are asking me the duration, then I don't give them the AM, PM. Then I give them in hours and minutes. But when they are asking me the time, then I write it in AM and PM. Have I made myself very clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The fourth question is also understood well.
Yes. I have got the 5 answers.
Very good.
Done.
Now Sam spent 92 minutes working on a school project. 92 minutes. First thing what you will have to do is you will have to convert this 92 minutes into hours and minutes. How much will that be in hours and minutes? 92 minutes.
1 hour 2 minutes.
92 minutes will be 1 hour for
1
60
hour, 2
minutes.
2
minutes.
hours.
Why 2 hours?
1 hour,
2
2
hours is
minutes.
120. This is going to be 1 hour is 60 minutes. Remaining is 32. So 1 hour and 32 minutes. Do you get it?
Yes.
Yes. And if he started at 5:30 p.m., what time did he finish? So I'm going to say the time first
7
started.
hour, 2 minutes.
Yes, started time is 5:30. I add the number he spent. Time will be added. That is going to be 1.32. And then I will have a finish time. He finished it at, tell me how much? 6.62. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now 62 minutes is going to be what?
1 hour,
1
2
hour,
minutes.
2 minutes. So I am
Yes.
going to write 6 plus 1 hour, 2 minutes. Am I right?
1 hour, 2 minutes.
7:02.
So what is that going to be?
7:02.
Yes, 7.02. And here, what should I write? PM. Because they have asked me the time. Have they asked me the duration or they have asked me the time?
Time.
Time. So if they have asked me the time, I will write in AM, PM. If they have asked me the duration, then I will write it in hours. Do you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you all written down all the 5 answers?
Ma'am, I'm just on the
Yes,
last
let
one.
me the last one.
Yes,
I
the
got
last
the
one
mark
is,
correct.
yes, the last one is Sam spent 92 minutes. So first thing that you will do is you will convert 92 minutes into hours and minutes. So if you remember, we had done it in the class, how to convert in hours and minutes. 92 you have to divide with 60. When you divide with 60, you get 1 hour and the remainder is 32. So 1 hour and 32 minutes. So then we go back to the starting time. The
Ma'am,
start-
the 6 plus 1 hour, 2 minutes 67.02 is the answer of fifth one.
Yes, yes. So
Okay.
they started at 5:30 p.m. The time that she took to complete is 1.32. So I added it. I got 6.62. But I know minutes can be only how much? 59, no? Because if it is 60 minutes, then it moves to the hour side. Correct? So I wrote 6 hours plus 1 hour and 2 minutes. So 2 minutes remain as it is. And both the hours I will add. 6 plus 1 becomes 7. So it is 7.02 p.m. Is it very clear? The fifth question.
Yes.
Ma'am.
So now for your homework, what you all are going to do is you all are going to revise these word problems. In the next class, I am going to take one more round of word problems and then I will continue with the timetable round. Okay? So next class also be ready for these kinds of word problem. Revise word problems.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So we end our class here for today.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.